Here's a quick guide to the Shape Builder tool for Affinity Designer on the iPad. The Shape Builder tool allows you to combine two or more shapes in lots of different ways. Let's just draw out a quick doodle for me to show you. And we're going to put a rectangle over the top of that. I'm just going to go to the Layers palette and make sure both of those shapes are selected. And then we can come over here to the Shape Builder tool. And with that selected, we'll have three options across the top there. And add, subtract, and create new shape. With nothing selected at the top there, and I'm still in the Shape Builder tool, I can use my pen and draw across and highlight all the shapes that I want to keep together. From there, I can hit the plus button, and that will add all those together. If we go into the Layers palette, you'll see a new shapes being created. I'll just go over to the Move tool, and you'll see that those now join together. And again, if I make a new selection, and this time hit the subtract button, they'll be deleted. And if I want to keep my original two shapes intact but create a new shape, I can hit this one. I'll just jump into the Layers palette. You'll see we've got a third layer being created. Just go to the Move tool. I can move that out of the way. We've got a new shape there, but our originals are still intact.